Oh my god. No. That's so annoying. Better than on Monday morning, I guess. But that would happen right now. Boys, daily roulette. Am I going home? Oh yeah, we're going home today. Let's go. Folks, the daily gamble. Let's see if I'm making it into work this beautiful morning. Oh, rough one. Interesting start to my day today at a gas station. Fuck. Not a bit. There's a good chance that I'm gonna end up working from home tomorrow. I think there's water getting in there because that one in the bottom right looks a little brown. Yeah, I bet that's the problem. You even see that? Alright, that's tight enough. Put this shite back together. My little rice cooker. So just to see first if it starts without the map. Come on, buddy. There we go. And there is like no corrosion there. Can't really see in there on camera, but there aren't any. There's no corrosion in there either. I also checked the barometric pressure sensor in there. Let's see if it starts without the sensor. I just had the key in, it wasn't on. So when I've gotten it to start, this is how it runs. And I think it's just ignoring the map sensor data. Atmospheric pressure, I don't know what it's getting a reading from. Oh well, duh, it's getting a reading from the atmospheric pressure sensor, not the map sensor. So my map sensor, so it still has a pressure reading, which I don't understand how it's getting that. Just unplugged the map sensor, ran it for like, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, and now I plugged the map back in, and I'm gonna see if it starts. Okay, so it's definitely not gonna start with the map plugged in. See if it'll start with the map not plugged in. Okay, well, I don't know how I didn't figure that out last night in all the troubleshooting I did. Atmospheric is 14.22. The map sensor would be, I don't know where these data values are even coming from because the map sensor is literally unplugged. Chickens are laughing at me. Rude. Wait a minute, why did it just start? Didn't I just plug it in and now it's starting? What the hell, bro? Or maybe it just thinks it's not connected, so it's ignoring the signal. Thing is shaking like a leaf though, that's for sure. Oh, well, I think I just found the problem. Interesting. Aha! Oh my gosh, so that's what it is. I knew it wasn't that sensor. Nice! Oh, I'm so happy about this. I'm just gonna let it run and lose its... Oh, yo, look at all that. There's definitely like a bad crimp or something. We got the Subi working, we got the Subi working flawlessly. Almost on the 222, 222. Pretty cool. Deep, 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 deep. So happy right now. Yes. All right, bruh. Yo. It starts up better than it ever has with that sensor unplugged. It's so funny. New spot for the homie duck. Is this thing on? Yeah, so we are quitting the GoPro. Here's the sad boy little GoPro. Oh, look at, I'm in the shot even. And I'm using my Insta360. I put the screen on backwards. You can like flip it whichever direction if you're, you know, vlogging. What is up, guys? I'm gonna see how this thing goes, and hopefully how it goes is better than how the GoPro goes. I also have 2 more GoPros and a DSLR, but I don't know if I'm jonesing that bad. People don't even watch these videos, so it doesn't really matter. Anyways, today... Oh, accidentally broke my tripod again. Something's screwed up in here, and I can't tell what it is. I'm gonna fix it, I guess. I gotta make sure that... Ow, my radiator is still hot from earlier today driving home. So first, you gotta pull out the lock for the connector and put that somewhere safe. I think the pins pretty much just go down the top and lift up. There we go. So there's a pin out. I just want to get the pins out so I can compare them to my new pins and make sure that the ones I bought are even gonna go back together. This is my little Mauser package. So anyway, in here are the actual terminals, which, God, I hope are correct. Otherwise, it'd kind of be a waste of $20. I've got new rubber stoppers, new locking keys, and then I got 2 new connector housings. And just in case, I spent big money and I got myself a OEM map sensor. Show the opening process so I can risk dropping one of these. Oh, I didn't drop it, but I almost did. Is that the same connector? Let's see. Maybe you can tell, but it's exactly the same. By the way, these are TE Connectivity 571-171-662-4. I'm back. I got my weekly ration of dinner. So tasty. Such a low price. I love nuts in my mouth. My mom's calling me. What's up, Mom?
Just checking in about tomorrow to find out what the real Saturday are rain on and off.
No.
Oh, okay. All right. The people start leaving now. Wishing nicely for everyone just to have this
There the weekend.
And she's getting forward to it. It's gonna be
so sweet. Original bangers. All right, see you, Mom.
All right, bye.
Holy crap, my neighbors have a turkey and it's freaking huge. So first, just cutting off the old crimp, pull off the hard weatherproof seal thing. And I'm stripping off probably 5 millimeters. Get out my terminal. I'm kind of pinching it together just so it fits in my crimp tool a little better. I'm using the iWis SN88B. SN28B. And then I highly doubt you can see that, but you want the rubber plug to be flush with the insulation where it ends. And then there's a insulation and rubber plug crimp back here, and then just a wire crimp up there. And then give it a yoink. There we go. 3 new terminals. check the ends, pull on the wire and the tip of the terminal to make sure there's a good connection, and there we go. I think that's fine. Oh yeah, it fits excellent on the sensor. So the camera took a little bit of an L, the battery died, but I can't even hate because I got a pop-up that said stopping recording, low battery, and then it saved it and then shut off. My GoPro just dies. Yeah, so I'll get this locking piece and my connector, and obviously I don't remember what color these plugged in. Right there. Okay, so red is in. Alright, orange is in. I can't reach the ground because it's in between them. There we go, they're all set in. Yeah, that is a much, much stronger connection. I really hope that fixes it. So that fixed it. Nah, bro, that mount is crazy. So wobbly. You're on the sunroof right now with a suction cup and like a 7-inch extendo dong. A little quick trip up and down the road. No way, dude, it pulled so smoothly, what? So smooth. I want to clear the codes on this Johnson. Oh my god, bruh. That is crazy. That is the best this car has ever driven, yo. No way. I'm unlocking the normal operating condition of this engine. Oh my god, bro, that is crazy. I lost the duck. I've never even had enough power to have that thing fall off of there. Uh-oh, doxing where I live. All my viewers are gonna come stalk me. I wonder if I'm just having a little placebo effect and it's like not even different, and I'm gonna restart my ECU right here, and then it's not gonna start because the sensor doesn't work. I need to find the duck before I forget about it. Oh, I see him. I don't even know why I keep this thing. The girl that gave it to me won't even talk to me anymore. Need a little bit of tape for the bottom, eh? I could reset the ECU while the engine's on like a savage, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna be a kind young man to the engine. Erase codes. The DTCs have been cleared. Okay, buddy. Let it think, and I don't know why I took my seatbelt off. Let it think and relearn everything. Check all the TGVs that are definitely still there and fully operational. And it should start. With no check engine light. It started so fast! Yeah, I totally fixed it. I totally fixed the problem. I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy. I'm so thrilled and proud of myself. I've been fighting that for like months, dude. You have no idea. Actually, you do have an idea because I'll throw in some footage from months ago when I couldn't start my car. Yeah, my car is fully... It's not, though. That's so funny. I was gonna say my car is like fully normal, but it's so not. It's so far from normal. I just heard it, like, the idle tweak out. Yeah, I need to add oil and fix the oil leaks, and I've got a brand new turbo to install on it. I've got a whole lot of stuff. I can't do it because I need to make it to work every day. That's why I have this beautiful peach, so that I can drive that and like barely scrape by. And while I'm doing that, I can like actually work on this. Yeah, beautiful night though. Fix the map sensor issue I've been trying to figure out for ages that I didn't originally know was a map sensor issue. So I'm feeling super excited about all that. All right, deuces. This shit's running. I'm going to play Rocket League with Stone and Aaron.